Colin, what are you doing? Brian, what are you doing? Did you go to where's the monkeys? Did you go to the movie? Was the movies fun? What'd the monkeys do? Oh, ah! Are you having fun? All right, where's Colin? Get in there. You see Colin? I don't even have to put money in the machines. They think that they're playing them. Dee, where'd you go? Here you go. You want to go on the motorcycle? Come on. Let's show Mommy and Daddy. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah.
All right, hold on tight. What are you doing, buddy? Woo! I don't even know what I'm doing here. Are you riding the bike? Let me see, bud.